Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to continue chapter Refraction and Dispersion of Light. You have studied in the previous class. Refraction is the bending of light when it passes from one transparent medium to other. When ray of light is traveling from air and it falls on the surface of water contained in a container, or when it falls on the glass, then it changes its path, it bends. In the previous class you have studied light travels along a straight path, that is called rectilinear propagation of light. But when it passes from one transparent medium to other, when it changes its medium, then it bends. This bending of light is called refraction of light. You have also studied the cause of refraction is change in the speed of light. As you know, children, that speed of light is maximum in vacuum. It is 3 lakh kilometer per second, and speed of light in air is approximately 3 lakh kilometer per second. Speed of light in water is 2.25 lakh kilometer per second, and speed of light in glass is 2 lakh kilometer per second. In diamond, speed of light is 1.25 lakh kilometer per second. All these are transparent medium. So when light is traveling, suppose from air to water or from air to glass, since the speed of light is decreasing, in the air speed of light is more, and when it comes to either glass or it falls on other medium like in water, then its speed decreases. Due to decrease in the speed, it bends towards the normal. And when it travels from glass to air or from water to air, its speed increases. In water or in glass, speed of light is less than the speed of light in air. So when light travels from water to air, then it bends away from the normal because the speed of light is increasing. Okay, so what is the cause of refraction? You have understood very well. The cause of refraction is change in the speed of light. Now children, you should know that what is rarer medium and what is denser medium. If you take two media, then the medium in which the speed of light is more is said to be rarer medium, and the medium in which the speed of light is less is said to be denser medium. So speed of light indicates the rarer and denser medium. Okay, in rarer medium speed of light is more, and in denser medium speed of light is less. So optically rarer and optically denser means you have understood very well. Now you will see, children, today what is refractive index. You will study relative refractive index and absolute refractive index or refractive index. Refractive index is the ratio of the speed of light in a given pair of media. Okay, it is a measure of the extent of refraction of a ray of light, and when it goes from one medium to other medium, we use this ratio. Okay, this relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is the ratio of the speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. Or you can say, children, that relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equal to speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2, or it is v1 by v2. v1 means velocity. Okay children, so relative refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2. If you compare two media, then relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equal to speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2 is equal to v1 by v2. Okay, and refractive index is indicated by a symbol mu. Okay, how do we write mu? I am just telling you, showing you. It is mu is refractive index. Now you will see children, if you say what is relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1, we can write here like this. This is mu. Mu is refractive index. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equal to speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2 is equal to v1 by v2. Okay children. Now if you read about absolute refractive index, which is also known as refractive index, then refractive index of a medium is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in the given medium. Okay, suppose if you have to find out the